why we need cloud computing? We already have our own machines. We can go and configure our virtual box and virtual machines on our local machine. But then why we need cloud? So let's take an example. Let's take a very small example that you wanted to start a company, right? You wanted to start a new company as a startup and you have 3 or 4 resources in your company, right? You just started it and you need 4 or 5 machines to start with, right? Let's say you need 5 laptops or 5 machines to distribute to your team and one for yourself. And you have total 5 members, including you. What do you think approximately how much amount you need to spend to configure all this, to purchase 5 laptops and configure them and start working on that? Approximately how much amount you will be spending? That includes your network configurations, right? And everything, configuring your full-fledged machines. 4 to 5 lakh, can you say that? Approximately,
Yes.
right? Okay. But you don't know that what is the future of your company. You just started and as an experiment, and you will be about to get any projects, right? You're not sure about the future of your company. Okay. So let's say you get some project, small project, which is for only 3 months or 4 months or 6 months only. After completing that 6 months, you are not sure whether you will get new project or not. Your business might work or might not work, right? Maybe let's say if it doesn't work, and after 1 year you decided to shut down your company and sell off your resources and machines. So approximately you spend 5-6 lakh rupees and you now want to sell off your resources. So there will be a lot of depreciation. You won't get that much amount, right? And you will be wasting a lot of money. On the other side, if you would have opted for cloud access instead of purchasing the machines, let's say you have taken 5 accounts, okay, or you created one account, you have created 5 VMs or 5 instances on the cloud, and you will be using those clouds. When you are done with your work, you shut down your machine. At the end of the day, again you start it and work on that. So hardly you will be spending few thousand rupees rent on that. For you have to pay the rent. Let's say you will be spending 10,000 rupees rent together, all of your team members. The amount of resources you used, you are spending 10,000 rupees rent per month. And for year you spend how much? If you say 10,000 per month, approximately 1,20,000 rupees. And if you want to shut down your company, you just stopped using the cloud services and stop those services and unregister to cloud, right? So you need not to, there's no depreciation, right? Whatever the amount of resources you used, you use that and stop working on that. So you will be saving a lot of money, right? You will be saving a lot of efforts to configure and order those machines, right? And you first ordered those machines, then you configured it, then you hired some resource for networking and configured networks, right? Paying them salary, all these things. And there are some network issues, upgradations of your machines, installation of patches, antivirus, right? A lot of cost is there, a lot of efforts are there. You could have saved all those efforts if you have gone by using cloud concept, right? Another is you can save a lot of time. You need not to install any software or operating system. You need not to install patches. You need not to worry about if the machine is down, what will happen. You need not to fix those infrastructure issues. All these being done by cloud service provider. And initially you ordered machines, new machines. it might have taken 1 month or 15 days to 1 month to deliver it, and then you configured it, right? You will be spending 20 to 15 to 20 days on that. But in case of cloud, you can just start working on it immediately within 5 to 10 minutes.